Hi team, I'm going to share with you really quick how to redeem your pink ticket. So if you sponsored someone October 1st through the 15th, you're going to start off by going to 31today.com. It is spelled out. Just go to that site and you'll have your sign-in information here. This is your ID number and then the password that you used when you signed up. I always click remember me and sign in. So this is 31today.com and you will just go to where it says big pink ticket. This is called your dashboard where it says welcome in your name. So you're going to click on the big pink ticket on that banner. And then it will tell you down here to redeem your pink ticket. You need to fill out the SurveyMonkey link. So we click there. And you will need to know your new consultant's ID number as well as your own so that you can fill this out for them to redeem their $84 rebate. This has to be done no later than October the 17th. I encourage you to get it done today on October the 16th so that you don't forget. You have to do this for your new recruit, your new team member to get their rebate. So sponsor and consultant name. And then I'm 351-700. So, oh, and you're also going to have the person's email. This is yours, though. So sponsor and consultant email. And then new consultant name. I sponsored Sandra. And I have her ID number here. And I don't think I have her. Okay, I didn't have to have her email. So what you need here is, of course, your name, your consultant ID number, your email that the system has, your new consultant's name and their ID number, and then you click done. And it's going to tell you, thank you for redeeming your pink ticket. So I've already done this for Sandra, so now we're double sure that she will get her rebate. So you should get this screen. When it works for you, make sure you do it no later than the 17th so that your new team member can get their rebate. They're counting on you.